Solve the following quadratic equation. 6x squared plus 8 equals 0. To solve this, we are going to use our quadratic equation. So let's review that. That will be x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Divide the whole thing by 2a. Okay. Notice that we only have two numbers in here. If I wanted to rewrite this, I could see that I have a 0x in between the 6x squared and the 8. I'm going to make sure I know what my A, B, and my C are. My A is 6. My B is 0. My C is positive 8. Now all I have to do is take my A, B, and C that I just labeled and plug it into the quadratic formula. So I'm going to have x equals negative b, so I have a negative 0, plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is just 0, minus 4a, which is 6, and c, which is 8. Divide the whole thing by 2a, which would be 6 again. Let's clean this up. So now I'm going to have x equals negative b, which is just 0. I'm going to leave that out. So plus or minus the square root of 0 minus 4 times 6 times 8. Make sure you multiply 4 times 6 times 8 before you subtract the 4 from 0. So 4 times 6 times 8 gives us a 192. And since we're subtracting from 0, it should be a negative 192. 2 divided by 6, we get 12. Remember that we cannot have a negative under a radical, and in order to get rid of that negative, we are going to replace it with an I. So we can rewrite this as plus or minus I square root of 192 divided by 12. We can simplify this even more by breaking up the square root of 192. Oops, this should actually be a 12. All right, again, so I can split up the square root of 192 by writing it as plus or minus I times 8 times the square root of 3 divided by 12. And you could have figured that out by using your jailbreak method. And then you could simplify it one more step by taking out a 4 from the 8 and the 12. And our final answer would be x equals plus or minus 8i square root of 3. I messed up. That should actually be a 2. Sorry. Plus or minus 2i square root of 3 divided by 3, and we're done.